How to download offline maps on Google Maps. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure you are running the latest version of the app Google Map. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it, enter a login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this home page. Once you are in here, now what you want to do is click on the search bar and search for the location that you want to download. Let me select one location for now. So let's say I want to download this map as an offline map. First of all, click on this cross icon at the top right. And then tap on your profile at the top right corner. You will get to see the option where it says offline maps. Simply click on it. Now click on select your own map. Now on this frame, you have to select the map that you would like to download. Once you have selected, tap on download at the bottom. Click on turn on. Well, the offline map will start to download on a device. You have to wait for a while for it to complete. Once the installation process has been completed, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download offline map on Google Map on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.